Alright, so I have a lot of SD cards that are just sitting by my monitor, and I want a place to put them so I know if they're empty or if they have footage on them, if I need to take footage off. And so I want to design and model and 3D print a SD card holder, and I know there's lots out there already, but I wanted to model and I want to learn how to model, and so I'm just going to design my own, and it'll also be tailored to what I want. So let's do it. Alright, so I just finished the model and I added a little chamfer right here, so then it's easier to get the SD cards out. And the bottom, it's 5mm thick, and then the SD cards poke out by 1mm above this top layer, so then it's easier to grab. And then also these chamfers make it easier to grab. So I'm gonna print it and we'll see if it works. Alright, so I just finished modeling it, and it was a pretty simple model. All I did was I created the bird's eye view of all the slots, and they're spaced 5mm apart, and then there's a 5mm buffer on all the sides, and then I extruded that 1mm below the height of the SD card, and then I created a base of 5mm. I know it's pretty thick, but with infill it shouldn't use that much filament, and my 3D printer, it wasn't printing correctly, so I'm gonna try and print it on mine, and I'm also gonna have my dad print it at his work where they have 3D printers. Alright, so I got the wraps off, and it didn't take me that long, even though I forgot to take it off right after the print. So I just used a steak knife, and I kind of went under it and I chipped it up little by little. So next time I can take it off right after the print, and then I won't have to spend lots of time taking it off. And I'm going to put all the SD cards in now. Alright, so the print succeeded at my dad's work, and so I was able to put all the SD cards in, and now it makes my workspace a little bit cleaner, which is good. And I learned how to put chamfers on stuff, and I learned how to extrude, and just got more experience with that. So that's good. Successful model and print, I would say. And I'll put these on Thingiverse, Maker World, and Printables for you guys if you guys want to download them and print them yourselves. So yeah, pretty successful print.